Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Chacha and today I'm going to show you how to make lasagna. This is so easy to follow, so guys, keep on watching. Here are our ingredients, and for the measurement of each ingredient, please see the description down below. For my lasagna, I like using brat because of the flavorful taste of it, and all you need to do is cut it into small pieces or you can grind them. For our onions, all you need to do is do the same way that we did with the brats. Cut them in small pieces or cubes, or you can also grind them. In a skillet, add your ground beef and cook it until it is lightly browned on all sides. And start adding all your seasoning one at a time. Again, for the measurement of each seasoning, please see the description down below. Normally, they like to put the onion first, but I like it to put it almost at the end. And I don't know why I like it, but I like my onion like on the last part. And I also like to add mushroom, so I added 3 cans of mushroom on this one. Then after that, you set it aside, and then it is time to boil water for our lasagna. And then on the water, add a little bit of salt so that it will give it a flavor. And while waiting for the water to boil, let's go ahead and grease our pan. And this one, I'm using olive oil. If you can grease the whole inside part of this pan, that would be perfect. And after that, set it aside. In separate bowl, add your tomato sauce, Parmesan, and ricotta cheese. And all you need to do is mix all those 3 ingredients. After mixing the tomato sauce, your Parmesan cheese and ricotta, you set it aside, and then let's go back and check our water. Perfect timing, our water is already boiling, so now we can add dry lasagna noodles and cook them to al dente. There is also direction on the back of the package. You can also follow the direction on how to cook this dry lasagna. Stir often to prevent from sticking. Make sure that the water remains at a full rolling boil during the entire cooking to prevent noodles from sticking. Drain and rinse with cool water. On the pan that we greased earlier, we need to start putting all the ingredients. So put your mixed sauce, your ricotta cheese, and your Parmesan first. You make sure that you spread it evenly. Then start layering your lasagna noodles on top of the sauce. So this is our first layer, and we are now ready to put our meat on top of this. And again, just make sure that you evenly spread the ingredients here. If you are a type of person that likes a lot of meat, you can put as many as you can on each layer. After you put your ground beef, add your brats. And this one that I'm using is already cooked. That is why I put them separately, so you don't need to add this or cook this along with your ground beef. And then you just spread more cheese. And after you put the cheese, put sauce on top of it. And then you just make sure that you evenly spread your sauce. Alright guys, we are ready for our second layer. And same as procedure we did earlier on our first layer, you lay your noodles, and then after that you put sauce on top of the noodles, and make sure that you spread the sauce evenly. And then add your meat and make sure that again it's spread all over. And here is our third layer. Same procedure. So just keep on watching until we are all done with our lasagna. Finally, we are on our last part. Place your noodles and make sure you tuck in the corner of these noodles. And add your sauce. And since this is your last part, after you add your sauce, you don't need to add meat. Just add as many cheese as you can, because cheese is life. If you like more cheese, go for it. As you can see, I love more cheese on my lasagna. So this is the final look. Let's go ahead and cover this with foil. And this is ready to bake. And don't forget to preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. And bake your lasagna for 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, you remove the foil. Add more cheese on top of it and bake an additional of 25 to 30 minutes. After adding more cheese, put it back in the oven for again 25 minutes, 25 to 30 minutes. So here's our finished product. This is all done. All you need to do is cool for 15 minutes before you serve it. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy this tutorial. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and here's your slice. Enjoy!